The Auto Parts Surplus Group. Automobile manufacturing and assembly has reached an unprecedented level of efficiency. Automation, just-in-time delivery, economies of scale, modern management techniques and systems all contribute to maximized output, but there is still waste. It's unavoidable. Sometimes parts are damaged while being shipped or while being installed at the final stage of assembly. Mistakes are sometimes made when ordering parts, resulting in a surplus. All of these parts have value, but in large quantities, they become a burden and a financial drain. Even vehicles used in crash tests have value, but disposing of the crumpled wreckage can be a problem. The problems are both obvious and hidden. Surplus parts take up space. Storage costs money. The parts need to be sorted, packaged, cataloged, shipped, and distributed. Damaged parts need to be recycled. All of this costs money, and there are hidden costs. When surplus auto parts are disposed of with no measures in place to control distribution, parts can end up in the wrong hands. Surplus parts diverted from recycling operations are sometimes repaired and sold as new, or they are sold to the public at prices far below market value. These practices can undermine price integrity at retail and wholesale levels. They put pressure on legitimate parts dealers. They can undermine public safety, and in the event of parts failures, where parts have been improperly reconditioned, they can undermine public confidence in automotive brands. It also diminishes potential savings and efficiency gains for automakers. Now there is a way for automakers to recoup costs and ensure proper recycling and redistribution of surplus auto parts through the Auto Parts Surplus Group, a new network of Canada's largest auto parts recyclers. All of the recycling locations are strategically located. Together they will serve as a network hub. Parts and surplus materials can be shipped to the nearest drop-off point. All of these auto recycling operations are large in scale. All of them utilize the newest recycling technologies, ensuring all automotive materials are handled in an environmentally responsible manner. These practices are promoting public confidence in the automotive recycling industry and the automotive industry in general. Automakers can have confidence in this large network too, and can utilize the systems and distribution networks in place to dispose of surplus auto parts. Parts can be shipped directly from factories or other locations directly to the nearest recycling center. Fair prices for surplus parts will be paid up front. When they arrive, the parts will be sorted. Test crash vehicles will be stripped, and salvaged parts will be placed in the used parts distribution stream for sale and reuse. New surplus parts will be cataloged and sold to qualified dealers. Scrap materials will be properly recycled. The network of automotive recycling operations will ensure parts flow properly, quickly, and efficiently through the system to dealers and ultimately to end users, preserving price integrity and public confidence. All things considered, the benefits of establishing a direct link for surplus parts disposal with the Auto Parts Surplus Group is clear. One disposal link feeding into the distribution network ensures efficiency. Sale of the parts to the network ensures fair prices are paid up front, reducing losses. Price integrity of parts on the wholesale and retail markets will be preserved. A greater percentage of scrap automotive materials will be recycled. Profits will be maximized. Crash test vehicles, unwanted surplus parts, rejected cars, damaged parts. Turn these problems into profit. Our distribution network is in place now and has adequate capacity and financial backing to handle large volumes of surplus auto parts immediately. The network is also ready to expand quickly to handle growing volumes of parts in the future. The Auto Parts Surplus Group.